Included: new version toner bank 2-pack TN850 black toner compatible toner cartridge replacement for Brother Tennessee 850 820 TN 850 TN 820 TN to 850 TN minus 820 TN to 820 per TN minus 850 high yield toner. Page yield: 8,000 pages per TN 850 high yield toner cartridge. Compatible for printer: HLL 6200 DW, HLL 5000 D, HLL 5100 DN, HLL 5200 DW, HLL 5200 DWT, HLL 6200 DWT, HLL 6250 DW, HLL 6300 DW, HLL 6400 DW, HLL 6400 DWT, MFCL 5700 DW, MFCL 5800 DW, MFCL 5850 DW, MFCL 5900 DW, MFCL 6700 DW, MFCL 6750 DW, MFCL 6800 DW, MFCL 6900 DW, DCPL 5500 DN, DCPL 5600 DN, DCPL 5650 DN. Compatible for printer: HLL 6200 DW, HLL 5000 DHLL 5100 DN, HLL 5200 DW, HLL 5200 DW, THLL 6200 DW, THLL 6250 DW, HLL 6300 DW, HLL 6400 DW, HLL 6400 DWT, MFCL 5700 DW, MFCL 5800 DW, MFCL 5850 DW, MFCL 5900 DW, MFCL 6700 DW, MFCL 6750 DW, MFCL 6800 DW, MFCL 6900 DW, DCPL 5500 DN, DCPL 5600 DN, DCPL 5650 DN. Toner bank compatible TN850 Tennessee 820 toner provide high quality printing and produce excellent results. Top reviews from the United States. Quick easy. I purchased a 2-pack of high-yield toner cartridges TN850 from Eco Imaging for my Brother laser printer. It came as promised undamaged in 8 days from order date to delivery. It was my first toner replacement for this new printer. So after a quick YouTube installation video tutorial, my cartridge slipped in without difficulty. The print quality has been excellent. No visual difference in quality from the OEM Brother cartridge that originally came with the printer. It is worth noting that several Brother OEM cartridges were offered online for approximately 4x what I paid from Eco Image. I did note my total print count at installation, so in the future I will need to see if the promised 8K page cartridge is received.